I'm gonna get a payback from what you did to me, Alex.
What? You can't do anything to me, even Destiny.
Well, I hope you enjoy your consequences.
Leave him alone!
Did you just see that? Yeah.
We are not taking over that city. Now you listen to me.
You can't tell me what to do.
Who dropped down? Sandra. They're gonna attack the city.
We'll help you.
No, it's too dangerous. Look, it's not dangerous for us. We can help now. If you could accept us.
Come on, you guys. Just let them help just for once. Fine, fine. Fight good, though.
We will do the best we can. Now let's go talk about this with Grandpa Wink and Lucky.